Imagine a world where the seeds of modern science and mathematics were sown in a flourishing cultural and intellectual hub. In the heart of the medieval Islamic Golden Age, one man emerged whose work would forever change the landscape of human knowledge. His name is Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi, a polymath whose groundbreaking contributions laid the foundations for algebra, influenced the development of algorithms, and helped to usher in a new era of scientific thought. Today, we journey through his remarkable life, exploring his major achievements and the enduring legacy he has left behind. Born in the ancient region of Khwarizm, in today's Central Asia, around the early 9th century, Al-Khwarizmi's early life remains shrouded in the mists of time. Yet, the environment in which he grew up was steeped in the rich traditions of Persian scholarship and the wisdom of the ancients. This fertile ground of learning, combined with the patronage of the Abbasid Caliphate, allowed him to blossom into one of the greatest minds of his era. Al-Khwarizmi's journey into the realm of mathematics and astronomy began at a time when knowledge from different cultures converged in the great libraries and institutions of Baghdad. It was here, in the celebrated House of Wisdom, that scholars from across the world gathered to translate, debate, and advance the works of ancient Greek, Indian, and Persian scholars. Immersed in this melting pot of ideas, Al-Khwarizmi was destined to become a catalyst for change, a beacon who would illuminate the path for future generations. One of Al-Khwarizmi's most enduring legacies is his pioneering work in the field of algebra. His seminal treatise, Al-Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr, wal-Muqabala, translated as the compendious book on calculation by completion and balancing, is often regarded as the first systematic treatise on algebra. In this work, he laid out a methodical approach to solving linear and quadratic equations, techniques that would form the cornerstone of algebra for centuries to come. Al-Khwarizmi's work in algebra was revolutionary, because it moved away from the geometrical methods of the Greeks, and embraced a more abstract systematic approach. His methods involved a series of steps that would complete and balance equations, hence the name al-Jabr, from which the word algebra is derived. By stripping away the complexity of geometric proofs, and focusing on a clear set of rules for manipulating symbols, he not only simplified mathematical processes, but also made them more accessible to scholars across the Islamic world, and later to Europe. This transformation in mathematical thought marked a significant turning point. It allowed mathematics to evolve from a tool for measuring land, and constructing monuments into a language, capable of describing the underlying principles of the natural world. Al-Khwarizmi's techniques paved the way for the development of further mathematical theories, and provided a critical foundation for the eventual emergence of calculus, probability, and modern algebraic structures. While Al-Khwarizmi is best known for his work in algebra, his influence extends far beyond this single discipline. The term algorithm itself is derived from the Latinization of his name, Al-Khwarizmi. In his systematic approach to problem solving, he introduced the concept of a step-by-step procedure or set of rules for calculations, which is at the very heart of what we now call an algorithm. This concept has become central not only to mathematics, but also to computer science and information technology. In today's digital age, algorithms are the driving force behind everything from search engines to artificial intelligence. Every time we use a computer to solve a complex problem, or to process vast amounts of data, we are in essence following in the footsteps of Al-Khwarizmi's pioneering methodology. His work established a framework for clear, logical thinking, a process that breaks down complex problems into manageable steps. This systematic approach is one of the key elements that underlie much of modern programming and software development. The elegance of his methods, combining clarity with functionality, continues to inspire educators, engineers, and scientists around the globe. In addition to his contributions to mathematics, Al-Khwarizmi was also a formidable astronomer and geographer. At a time when accurate astronomical data was essential for navigation, timekeeping, and the determination of prayer times, his observations and calculations were of paramount importance. Al-Khwarizmi authored several works that provided improved methods for calculating the positions of the sun, moon, and planets. His astronomical tables, meticulously compiled and highly regarded by his contemporaries, were used to predict celestial events with a precision that had never been achieved before. These contributions not only advanced the field of astronomy but also had practical implications for the daily lives of people in the Islamic world. Furthermore, his work in geography involved the refinement of existing maps and the development of more accurate methods for measuring the Earth. By integrating the latest mathematical techniques with observational data, he helped to create maps that were both more accurate and more useful than those of his predecessors. This blend of theory and practice is a testament to his versatility as a scholar, and his commitment to bridging the gap between abstract ideas and real-world applications. The legacy of Al-Khwarizmi extends far beyond the confines of his own time and place. His ideas and methods were transmitted through the works of later scholars in the Islamic world, and eventually through translations into Latin, into Europe. During the Renaissance, his contributions were rediscovered and celebrated, playing a crucial role in the reawakening of scientific inquiry in the Western world. His influence is evident in the works of many later mathematicians, astronomers, and scientists who built upon his methods. The transition from medieval to modern mathematics owes much to the foundations that he helped establish. Today, when we discuss the evolution of mathematical thought, we often speak of a continuum, a long and interconnected chain of ideas that stretches back to the great thinkers of antiquity. Al-Khwarizmi is a key link in that chain, a visionary who helped to chart the course for centuries of intellectual advancement. Moreover, his contributions have not only enriched the academic world, but have also had a profound impact on technology and industry. The algorithms that form the backbone of modern computer science, the methods of calculation that drive technological innovation, and even the very language we use to describe these processes all bear the indelible mark of his genius. In many ways, Al-Khwarizmi's work symbolizes the timeless power of human intellect to solve problems and to transform the world. Today, the influence of Al-Khwarizmi can be seen in countless aspects of modern life. The very term algorithm reminds us of his pivotal role in shaping systematic approaches to problem solving. His work in algebra continues to be a core subject in educational curricula around the world, forming the basis for advanced studies in mathematics, engineering, and the sciences. In an era defined by rapid technological advancement and the constant evolution of digital systems, the principles laid down by Al-Khwarizmi have never been more relevant. Modern computer algorithms, artificial intelligence, and even data encryption owe a debt to the logical, methodical approaches he championed. His life's work serves as a powerful reminder that the pursuit of knowledge and the application of rigorous thought can drive progress in even the most challenging fields. As we look back on the life and achievements of Al-Khwarizmi, we see more than just historical facts and mathematical formulas. We see a visionary who bridged cultures, transcended time, and forever altered the course of human history. His work continues to inspire innovation and exploration, reminding us that the journey of discovery is a timeless quest, one that knows no boundaries. The story of Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi is not just a tale of numbers and equations, it is a celebration of human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. His contributions to algebra, his development of early algorithms, and his advancements in astronomy and geography have left an indelible mark on the world. By weaving together the threads of history, mathematics, and science, Al-Khwarizmi not only laid the groundwork for future discoveries but also illuminated the path for generations of scholars, innovators, and dreamers. Today, as we navigate the complexities of the modern world, we continue to draw inspiration from his work. His legacy lives on in every algorithm we execute, every equation we solve, and every discovery we make. In celebrating Al-Khwarizmi, we celebrate the timeless spirit of inquiry, a spirit that dares to ask questions, to explore the unknown, and to transform the way we understand our universe. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the life and achievements of one of history's greatest minds. May the legacy of Al-Khwarizmi continue to inspire you to seek knowledge, challenge the status quo, and push the boundaries of what is possible.